i35equipment.com. This is the Komatsu Pc200Lc hydraulic track excavator. Stock number 69. It does have the hydraulic thumb on it. Full cab. Straight from the job site. Edition. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only. Please give us a call or fill out the form on our website to get on the calendar. Also, hauling and delivery is available to your farm or job site. To get a hauling quote, please give us a call or fill out the form on our website. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching and have a great day.